All right. So, hi, good afternoon, Quynh. Welcome to our class, LMS BIP AK6B. So, for this afternoon, I'll be your teacher, Miss Cha of Alaska English. Before we dive into the lesson, can I ask, how are you this afternoon?
I'm good, thank you.
All right. That's good to know that you're doing great. Can you tell me about the weather right now in your country? How's the weather?
The weather is very hot and sunny.
I
Uh,
can see it from you. You have a fan behind you, the same with teacher. And as you can see, I'm also using my portable pen, using my papers. It's really hot, the same in Philippines. All right. So anyway, going back to the lesson, as you can see, we were able to recall the topic that we are discussing last time, all right, about, the parts of the body. We confirm regarding the bone, the ligament, right, the muscle, tendon. So we have some sort of um, rereading the context, all right? And in that way, you told me that you understand it already, right?
yes,
Okay,
yeah,
that's very well. Moving into the activity that we've undergone last time, we were also able to make use of reviewing will versus going to. And as we know, will and going to are the phrases or the pattern that we use referring into the future tense, right? So we analyze the difference between them. And then in here, we were able to unfinish this one. So let's finish it up. Let's do it again. Let's try letter C because sadly we don't have much time last time and we weren't able to finish the activity. So can you help me out? Number one, let's do it again.
number one. I think will.
All right. Can you read it first?
I must I must run to a station or I will miss the train.
Well, why?
Because very quick
All right.
run
Okay.
must
Okay.
run.
Okay. You say that is rapid. All right.
Mm,
Rapid decision. All right. Or you could say quick or fast decision. Don't forget
mm,
the word decision. Okay. Because when you
okay.
say fast, what about fast? What is fast? Right. Okay. Number two.
Number two, look up the sky. It is dark. Mm, and well, is going to start raining soon.
Why it's like a question. It is going to rain soon. Are you sure about your answer? What's your answer?
Will
Final answer?
I don't know.
Look at the sky. It is black, meaning you have an evidence. You have a sign.
Uh, okay.
Mm.
It's very rapid. This decision. I
Actually,
think will.
actually, this is not a rapid decision. I am presenting with you an evidence and a sign. Look at the sky. It is black. So I have an evidence already. I have a sign. What will happen? I could see that the sky and the clouds are black, meaning
Will
it.
is going to.
All right. This one, Quynh, evidence or sign. Like this one, my stomach hurts. So that's the
Answer.
evidence, right? So what will happen? I'm going to throw up. All right. With this one, how about this number three?
Number three. I have I haven't got my phone. I am going to land. you mind?
I haven't got my phone. Meaning I still don't
I
have my phone.
I am going to lend my mind.
What is your reason? Can you explain first? Why do you come up with saying going to?
I think slowly or quickly, no rapid decision.
Okay. Not rapid decision. I haven't got my phone, so that's the problem. Rapid
Uh,
decision.
Size.
Quynh,
You
I haven't got my phone. I don't have no phone. What did she say? I will lend you mine. Rapid decision. You don't have phone. You can use mine. Right?
very quickly.
Yes.
Rapid decision.
Rapid
Okay.
decision. You said, teacher, sorry, I haven't got my phone. I can't call my dad. Ah, I will lend you mine. You can use mine.
Uh,
Rapid decision. Right? Can you follow?
okay.
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 Number 4.
I promise I
A
I
promise. When do you use the promise?
promise
I promise
I am going to bring you a service serving
all right,
from
I
Paris
will. I will bring you a souvenir. A souvenir.
souvenir.
When you say souvenir, all right, it is something that you buy, something that you buy to give for your friends or family. It could be a t-shirt, all right. It could be some sort of all right, some sort of keychain, all right. Anything that reminds the place. All right. So with this one, how about number 5?
Number five, my sister uh, is going to be 16 years old next year.
All right, is going to be 16 years old next year. Number 6.
Number six, we will move to a new house in a couple of days.
Mm,
Of days.
what is you're going to use? I think that is not rapid decision. That is a plan. What are
Uh,
you
I
going to use?
I think days of days.
Couple
Uh,
of days. For example, Kuing Ang, I'll be absent for a couple of days. For example, 2 to 3 days, I won't be available. Couple of days. It's like 2 to 3 days.
three
Yes,
days.
2 to 3 days.
Two
What is
three.
missing in here? This is a prior plan.
I think no rapid decision. Will
Is it will? It's not rapid decision. It's a
uh,
plan. Prior plan.
is going to.
Yes. We are going to move to a new house in a couple of days. It doesn't say any situation. Remember, if it's a rapid decision, something happened and then you decide. Right? There is nothing happening. For example, I could say, "Oh, the house is burning. Let's leave the house." That is rapid decision, right? But in here, it's like
Yeah.
you are planning to move for a couple of days. You're thinking about it, not immediate, not fast. All right? How about number 7?
Number seven. Mark is on his way to the supermarket.
Mm.
He will buy milk.
All right, that's it. So that is the rapid decision. There is a situation. Mark is on the way to the market. He will buy the milk. All right. So
Mm.
immediate, fast decision. All right. So
Uh,
now moving into here from what I am. telling you last time, we are going to do the skills bonus from our book, focusing in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So in here, I'll be reading it for you, and after that, you read for me. Is that okay? All right. So
Yes.
also before I read, please take note of the word rules. All right. Rules in here, it is a regulation or an order. Okay. Something that we need to follow. All right. Is it quitak? Is that how you say it?
Pitak.
Quitak. Okay. Thank you.
Mm.
Quitak. All right. So now let's
No.
listen. Let's listen first. Let's read it first. A healthy club. People buy food every day. Would you like to save money, conserve energy, and protect the earth while you shop for food? Then join the Healthy Shoppers Club. If you want to become a healthy shopper, follow these three simple rules. First, walk, ride your bike, or take public transportation to the supermarket. This saves money and energy while you get more exercise. Second, take reusable shopping bags to the supermarket. If we use fewer plastic shopping bags, we'll reduce land and water pollution. Third, plant a garden and grow your own vegetables at home. You'll help the environment and protect your family. We'll eat delicious food too. Reducing pollution is not difficult if we work together. Join the Healthy Club. Join the Healthy Shoppers Club today. All right. If you're going to listen on how I read it, it's not the normal way of reading. It's like teacher is persuading. All right. To persuade. It's like I am letting you realize, or I am giving you a reflection. All right. So persuading. So like this one, would you like to save money? Are you you've been hearing this? It's like some sort of advertisement. Maybe if you are watching television, in every when we watch television, there is a commercial, right? Do you want your teeth to be bright and beautiful? Use Colgate. It's like the tone is like that. Can you imagine? It's like I am encouraging you. It's the sound of, and that's the tone. That's the tone of this reading material. I am encouraging you. Okay? Can you give it a try? Can you read it for me?
Okay. A healthy club. People buy food every day. Would you like to save money, conserve energy, and protect the earth while you shop for food? Then join the Healthy Shoppers Club. If you want to become a healthy shopper, follow these three simple rules. First, walk, ride a bike, or take a public transportation to the supermarket. This saves money and energy while
While, while.
while while you get more exercise. Second, take reusable shopping bags to the supermarket. If we use fewer plastic shopping bags, will reduce land and water pollution. Third, plant a garden and grow your own vegetables at home. You'll have the environment and your family will eat delicious food too.
Okay.
Reducing pollution is not difficult if we work together. Join the Healthy Shoppers Club today.
Okay. So to make someone do something, it's like means to convince. All right. So how can I say that in your mother tongue? All right, give me a second. I'm just going to type it. All right. This one
Ah,
right here,
that's
the
food.
tiet phuc.
That's food.
All
Okay,
right.
food.
Okay, there you go. To persuade, right? I'm convincing you. I am making you do something, right? Queen Ang, you did it very well. The only thing that I noticed, remember the technique that Miss Chat told you. Whenever you see a period, a dot, no need to read very quickly or a comma. Remember the rule, the
Ah,
1 to 2 second pause? Because it seems like I cannot
okay.
understand because it's like you're a motorcycle and then you start broom, broom, broom. You just say it. There is no stop. I cannot understand. So with that
Okay.
one, we need to be careful, all right? So people buy
Okay.
food every day. Would you like to save money, conserve energy, and protect the earth while you shop for food? Then
Mm,
join the Healthy Shoppers Club. If you want to become a healthy shopper, follow these three simple rules, right? So you can understand, all right? So it's
yes,
not
I understand.
necessarily that you need to be very quick, all right? Remember, in English, sometimes the grammar is a factor, but technically you need to be understood. Okay? Even though you know
Okay.
a lot of words, but the listener can understand you, there's going to be a problem. Okay? So again, the tone that we have right here is like we are persuading. So persuade, right? We are giving, I am convincing you what are the good ways that will happen. We can reduce pollution, we can reduce land and water pollution, we can save money and energy, and then we can get more exercise. So, this is I am convincing you, right? How about with this one? Can you tell me how can you save money while you get more exercise? How?
Join,
Mm,
join, join the Healthy Suppers Club
all right.
and follow these three simple rules.
All right. So with this one, you don't necessarily need to say that one. You need to be direct to the point. So how can you save money while you get more exercise? You could say, teacher, you can.
Teacher, you can walk, ride your bike, or take public transportation to the supermarket.
All right. So direct to the point. No need to say these things. Okay. What should you take to the supermarket? Direct to the point. What should you take? Meaning, what is the thing that you need to bring? The object that you need to bring to the supermarket.
Uh, Teacher, you take reusable shopping bags to the supermarket. Uh,
Why?
because if we use fewer plastic shopping bags, will reduce land and water pollution.
Impressive. What can you do at home to help the environment?
I can have the environment at home, like like plant a garden, grow my own vegetables. Um, I'll have the environment, and your family will eat delicious food.
So that
Uh,
my family will
my family will eat
eat.
eat delicious food too.
All right, delicious food. Okay, so that's it. So with this one right here, so this is like a wake up call. It's like for us to realize how can we be health? How can we keep the earth, all right? Or how can we keep our uh environment environment clean and in a way that we are also benefits, right? So we are also keeping ourselves healthy. So it's like it's also correlating with the topic that we had from conservation. All right. So with this one, How about if I ask you, how about if I ask you with this one? Can you tell me or can you give me like some sort of what did you see regarding, for example, the kids right now, the teenagers, all right, or the students? What are the good and bad habits? Can you name at least three good
Um,
habits that you can see that everyone is doing? The good habits and the bad habits.
walk, ride on your bike, or in
Quynh, for example, the good habits, for example, teacher, the good habits, the kids in Vietnam likes to play football. So that is a good habit. You can
exercise,
exercise. Yes. The bad
exercise.
habit, you could say, teacher, I observe that the kids in Vietnam always using their cell phone and computer. Bad habit. Can you get it? All right.
Okay.
Can you give me some sort of, is it Toy Quinn? All right. The habits. I want you to tell me some of your observation. Good habits
Good
first.
habit. Exercise in morning.
All right. So the kids exercise in the morning. All right.
Mm,
It could be, all right. So teacher, it could be in a form of
Walking, riding a bike,
or
jogging,
playing,
do yoga,
playing
play
football.
football,
What is,
yoga,
all right. Very good, Queen Anh. Queen Anh, what is wrong with your answer? Do yoga. Look at your pattern. Parallelism. Walking, riding, playing. What will you do to your answer? It becomes,
doing yoga.
all right. So always remember that when you answer in, when you start your verb in
In,
ing.
bird,
All right.
in,
But if you start teacher, to walk, to ride a bike, to play, to do yoga. So always make them parallel, equal. Okay? Very good.
so
So what else?
two,
Mm,
um, uh, eat healthy food,
all right. Eat healthy food, such as
such as, um, no oil,
avoiding
no oil, yes, oil, um,
oily and
fat,
fatty
fatty
foods.
food, eating, vegetables, eating,
Qua,
hoa quả, vegetables,
fruits,
fruits, and vegetables because it's very good for
very, sorry, very,
very good for
very good.
healthy
All right. Very good for the health. Health. Okay. It's
health.
very good for our health. Okay. Very good. How about eat healthy foods such as avoiding oily and fatty foods, eating fruits and vegetables? What else? How about sanpamsua?
Drinking water very much,
All right. Drinking water.
much,
All right. Drinking a lot of water.
a lot, every day. Yes.
8 to 10 glasses or 6 to 8 glasses.
Uh, 1 milliliters, milliliters.
1 milliliters. Okay.
Mm.
So again, what else? So exercise in the morning, eat healthy food.
Um, uh, um, Rest times rest,
All right.
sleep, and rest early. Okay.
Okay. All right. So with this one, we can rest the body and our mind. Okay. I hope I can sleep early. Okay. How about the bad habits? What are the bad habits?
Should do not stay up late.
Oh yeah, getting up late. All right, or sleep, staying up late.
Staying up late.
What else?
Uh, get up early.
Sorry.
Get up early.
So this one, it
No,
goes
no,
in
no.
here.
Uh, get up. Nó gọi là gì nhỉ?
All right. Waking up,
Get up late.
waking up late, or getting up late. Mm.
Um, uh, no exercise.
All right. When you say no exercise, let's upgrade your vocabulary. Let's make it this one.
Like
Lack.
exercise.
Lack of.
Lack of exercise.
All right, meaning no exercise. Lack of. Lack of. For
Mm.
example, I could say, Quynh Anh, I'm not feeling good. I lack of sleep, meaning I have no enough sleep. All right, I don't
Mm.
sleep very well. Lack of. All right. What
Uh,
else?
um, I don't know.
What is the opposite? Doylap. This one.
Uh, eating don't healthy food.
All right. So eating or eating.
Junk or fast food.
All
Mm.
right. So actually in English they are called junk food because do you
Not
know in English when you say junk you are referring into
much money.
trash,
Plus.
garbage, meaning not good for the body. Like for example, oh Quynh Anh, you like to eat pizza? Pizza is a junk food. Meaning
Uh,
in this is like this is like a metaphor because junk it's synonymous with garbage, trash. All right, so that is what is a garbage, so something that is bad, right? So when you say you're eating junk food, meaning you're giving your food or you're giving your body junk food, you're making
junk
your body worse, right?
food. Okay.
All right. So these are some of the activity that we can do. Now, for your for this activity, I'm just going to see how well you are good with vocabulary. Let's check your skills in identifying the words. Okay, you tell name the word or the image.
Hamburger.
Mm.
Banana.
Hamburger
Junk,
is
junk food.
all
It's
right.
very
Next,
small.
yeah. Oh, sorry. So give me a second. I'll make it big for you. Okay. How about now? Can you?
Banana is healthy food.
Yes, rich in potassium. Next,
Pizza is junk food.
oily
Mm.
food.
A vegetable is a very healthy food.
All right. Green leafy vegetables. Rauku, healthy food. Next.
A fish, healthy food.
Okay.
Salad is healthy food.
All right. Next one.
Uh, Ice cream, I don't know. I
Ice
think it's
cream?
junk food.
Yes.
Ice cream is junk food, right?
Yes. Because it has a lot of sugar.
Because it's because eating your ice cream I eat think I cream much thought salt road.
Yeah, sore throat and toothache, right? A lot of
Perfect.
sugar.
Okay.
How about this
Uh,
one?
rice. I think it's healthy food.
Yeah, this one right here. Rice is considered healthy food, but we should eat them with moderation. Meaning we should control. If we eat too much, then it's going to be bad for the body, right? So everything is always in control. All right. Next one.
Egg. Egg very has a protein and I think it's healthy food.
Very good. Rich in protein. Correct. This one.
Okay. Pancake.
Yeah, I think that's bang mi, a bread, a type of bread.
Bread. I don't know. I don't know the bread is junk food or healthy food because um some bread is very um, have
Sugary. Sugary. Too
uh,
sweet.
sweet. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So for this one, actually it depends because if it's an ordinary bread, it is healthy, right? The one that you can buy, the bang mi, it's healthy. But if you're going to buy the bread that it has a lot of whipped cream, it has a lot of strawberries, too sweet, that's gonna be unhealthy because that kind
Uh,
of bread looks a cake already if it's too sweet, right? And a cake, it has a lot of sugar. So this one right here, you can consider that a healthy food.
healthy food.
You can
Okay.
you can eat but a little. The same with rice. All right?
Um,
You can eat but
okay.
not a lot. All right? Next one.
Noodles, healthy food.
All right? Noodles or pasta. Pasta. This one. Next
Pasta,
one.
color, sort drink, color drink. It's
Soda.
not
Soda.
so Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Coca-Cola is the brand, but this one right here we call that soda. Soda.
Young drink.
Yes.
It's drinking that it become toothache.
Yeah, a lot of sugar too. It has a lot of sugar. Next one.
I don't like it.
Yes, me
Sweet,
too.
sweet
Sweets or candies or gammies, right? This is
candies. Junk food,
junk food.
toothache,
Sweets. Next one.
become toothache. I don't like it. Roast chicken. I don't know because
This is roast.
chicken roast. I think chicken is very healthy, but roast very oil.
So you're
I don't know.
confused. Actually, this one, roast chicken, that is safe. That is healthy. What makes it unhealthy is the
Oh,
fried chicken. The KFC chicken that you can buy on a bucket when you dip fried in oil. That is not
oh,
healthy. All right, you are good. That is correct. Chicken is very healthy. What makes them unhealthy is your way of cooking, the way you cook it. If you cook it with like the French fries, dip oil, so that's unhealthy already. But if you grill
oh,
it or you roast the chicken in an oven, that is healthy way of eating. All right. Next one.
cheese. I think it's very healthy food because it's very high fat.
Yes, cheese, sanpamsua, right?
Uh,
Dairy product. This one.
Milk too, a healthy food, a healthy drink,
This one.
snack. Is young, eat fast food, junk food, eat
All
not
right.
so good.
I heard you say snack. Snack, that is British English.
Louis,
In American English, we call that potato chips.
Potato chips.
Roy.
Mm,
Next
American.
one. This one is.
I don't know that.
This one
What
is
is
called olive oil.
oil? I think it's junk food.
Healthy.
Hmm. But
This this ta- mm,
eating oil much become yeah, eat a lot of oil become no not so good.
all right, that is correct. But this is a different kind of oil. If you're familiar with Americans and the Western people, when they are eating salad, when they are eating pasta, even when they are making the pizza, they are putting olive oil. Olive oil is
Um,
different from vegetable oil. I think it depends on what kind of oil are you using. Okay, but this one right here,
yeah,
some culture, especially some countries in America, what they do is they are mixing this in salad. In
salad.
salad. Yeah,
Oh,
this is a healthy kind of oil. So this is healthy food. Next
food,
one.
tomato,
This one right here.
uh, junk food.
Yes. What do you call it?
I don't know call it.
You don't know what is it called? The same with
Yes,
this.
no,
All right. So British English, they call that chips. Like, the
cheap.
fish and chips, right? But American English, they don't call it chips. Instead, we call them French fries.
Rich rice.
French
Oh,
fries. All right. So maybe you encountered them. Both of them are the same, all right? The only makes them different is the use. Chips, British English. French fries, American English. Okay? Potato chips, American English. And then snack in British English. So you need to be familiar with both. All right? Next, last one.
water.
Water.
Healthy drink.
Of course, nothing can beat water. Water is
Mm,
the purest and healthiest. Okay. Anyway, so that's it. Very good. I could see that you have a lot of vocabulary regarding foods, which is a good thing. But sadly, even I want to stay longer, but sadly we don't have much time left. So I'm just going to remind you about your homework for next meeting. All right. Your next homework, I mean, the next topic that you're going to do is very interesting, Quing Ang. We are going to
mm,
talk about Unit 7 achievements.
the arts.
All right. We are
Achievement.
focusing into arts. All right. Verdi's
Uh,
operas, Picasso's paintings, Shakespeare's play, all right, Beethoven's symphonies, Michelangelo's sculpture, and Balancini's, I think, if I'm not mistaken, ballet. All right. So we're going to talk about anything that is relating to art. So we are going to visit a museum. All right. So anyway, so for your homework, I want you to look for what is the meaning of achievements. Your homework for next meeting.
achievement.
All right. Define
Okay.
the meaning of achievements. Okay, so sadly, it's time for
Okay.
me to say goodbye. So thank you for joining our class this afternoon, Tambiet, and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye, Queen Ang.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, teacher, and goodbye, teacher. Have a good night.